Tech Job Tina signing in. I'm up late editing content, and I actually remember that I had a tech recruit phone screen that I had done. And I thought since many of you are trying to get into tech and you've maybe never had a phone screen with a technical recruiter before, so I thought this could be an excellent learning opportunity for you guys to kind of get to experience it through me, as you know, as far as what I've experienced and what I've kind of done interview wise and just different things that I'm doing along my journey. I just want to kind of share it because it could help somebody. So I got the audio from this phone call. It wasn't a Zoom video, it was just a phone screen, which is typically the first part of the interview process when you're trying to get into tech. There's usually 3 or 4 rounds. The first round is usually always a phone screen with a tech recruiter, and that's what you're going to be hearing right now. It's almost 20 minutes. So I'm just going to kind of let it play and let you guys listen, and then I'll do a little bit of commentary at the end. So here we go.
Taking this time to chat with me briefly. I like to always start with telling everybody exactly where they are in the process.
Okay.
So we had over 230 people apply for this role. I actually through every single application and narrowed it down to 30 people to screen, and you made that cut.
Awesome. Good work for you. I know it's got to have been hard to narrow it down, huh?
That was very hard. It really was very hard. And so from here, I will be, doing this quick chat with people and then identifying people to interview for 45 minutes via video.
Okay.
And then from there, the hiring manager will decide about which, candidates that he'll do final interviews with. So we're pretty far in the process, as you can tell, if we're here now.
Right.
And
Right.
the letter T, I go by first name, so we're getting there.
Fantastic, fantastic. Well, thank you for inviting me for the call. I really appreciate that.
Yeah, so basically what will happen is that by this weekend I can let you know next steps.
Okay. Sounds like a plan. So.
Yeah, I think it's just important because I can tell you, when I lost a job to COVID 3 years in a row.
Oh, wow.
And last year, after that happened, and then I had to just keep on going through interviews, and I will tell you, I never ever knew where they were in the process, what the competition was like.
Right.
Did I even have a prayer of a chance, whatever. That was so frustrating to me, and discouraging, because all I would do was go through these long interview processes and then just get one of those templated emails that rejected me, right?
You're absolutely right. Wow.
I feel like, I'm never going to do that to anybody. I want to make sure that I'm treating everybody with respect and consideration, because you are considering working for us, and this is your life, this is your career. You deserve to at least know how it's going, right?
Absolutely. Yeah, I really appreciate that. I mean, I just wish more recruiters would kind of look at it that way. I mean, because you never know what shoes somebody is in when they're applying for these jobs, and just to ghost people or not give them information. Yeah, I love that you realized, that it needed to change and people need to be better about that. So that's awesome.
All right. Well, the good news is I have a voice. I speak at national and international recruiting conferences, and so I'm able to influence, people who are in recruitment. So I feel like that's a responsibility and a privilege at the same time.
Absolutely. Well, good for you, man. That's fantastic. I love that.
Okay, so Tina, can you remind me? Let me look here. Hold on.
Okay.
You're in Georgia, right?
I'm in Georgia. That's right.
Okay, and one more thing that you should know is that we've obviously gotten a lot of people who've applied who work for similar organizations and have done pretty much exactly what we need for them to do. So that's one pool of candidates, but then we have another pool of candidates that, maybe they haven't done this exact thing that we need them to do, but they've done other things that we feel like will give them the skills to be successful in this role. So we are hiring 2 people. We're going to hire one person from that one pool of people who've already been doing this work, and they have a track record. They have like a portfolio to show their results, for a success. And then we want to be able to hire somebody who just, somebody just needs to give people a chance, right? And no ever gets hired just because someone wants to take a chance on them. They only hire the people who fit the job description, right? So
Right.
I am so excited to be able to work for an organization where that's not how they're going to do things here.
Oh man, that's amazing. That's amazing. You're right. People do deserve chances. I'm all about that. So fantastic that you're actually doing that.
Yep. And then the second thing is that we're not hiring people to come into this role and that's it. We really want people to only stay in this role for 6 to 9 months, and then we want to promote them.
Okay.
From business, development associate to business development representative. So let's start with what was it that prompted you to apply for this job and in this organization?
Absolutely. Well, I'm actively kind of looking for, my next sales role. And when I was looking through, I saw it said, it kind of piqued my curiosity. So I clicked on the job posting and I read it and I said, nonprofit software. So then I went to the website because honestly, I had never heard of my website. I said, let me see what this is all about. And when I was reading it, I was like, wow, it never occurred to me that nonprofits, they also need a platform to do their fundraising, and I never really thought about what they use technology wise or anything. So when I saw the software, I was like, I thought it was amazing. You're giving nonprofits, both small ones and big ones, the ability to run their fundraising campaigns, whether you got a small guy that just wants something simple and affordable, or you have really big nonprofits that want to run their full-fledged fundraising system on, a platform. So I thought it was amazing. I really dug deep into the website and took a look at it. And so once I saw that, I went ahead and applied because I like the product.
Okay, that's really great. So, so my question then is, what is your, when you read the job description or whatever, it's really more of a job ad to kind of tell you a little bit about the role. It's not like, okay, and then you will do this, and you will do this, and it's not like a list of tasks of things that you would do, right? But we try to describe it more of like a day in the life, right?
Yep.
This is the kinds of things. So what is your understanding of what you would be doing in this role?
Absolutely. From what I read, it looks like basically I would be setting appointments. It sounds like they do have an SDR and they have account executives, correct? Would I be kind of, sort of? Would I be setting appointments for account executives to then close on the deal?
Yes, and you get incentivized if they do close.
Exactly.
And the goal is to then move into doing what they're doing. And so
exactly.
Then you get the commissions on those. You would get a pay bump and you would be making commissions, and they're unlimited. There's no cap.
Okay, fantastic. So that's what I thought. It sounded like I would be prospecting, whether it be getting inbound leads or whether I would be sourcing my own outbound leads. It sounded like I would be filling pipeline for the account executive so that he could do demos and close the deal and we can get new customers.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or mining the CRM, which is Salesforce. We have helped over 10,000 nonprofits conduct over 100,000 campaigns to raise funds, and they may not have used any of our tools. So it's a matter of also looking to see if they haven't used the extra tools that we have that can help broaden, their reach, or help them to get new donors, or be able to, help them to, exceed their goals. So that's what these appointments are for, is to explore that. And so if they've already used it to raise funds, and we say, hey, would you want, I don't know how long it is, but would you want us to set up a time for you to be able to see in what ways that, Mighty Cause can help you, do exactly that. I don't exactly know what the pitch is because I think the right one.
Exactly, yeah.
People to want to, and that's an easy thing. If they're already in our database, and then, there will be people that you're going to want to find out exactly where, like they're not using Mighty Cause. What are they using? Are they happy with the results? Are they reaching their goals? If not, would they want to take a look at what Mighty Cause can do for them or whatever? So that's a matter of like reaching people who may be using other tactics. So do that by using our best friend Google.
Right.
And then once you find out what those organizations are, then you go to LinkedIn to find out, okay, who are the gatekeepers through whom you need to get to the actual decision makers, right?
Absolutely.
So when I'm describing this, I'm even seeing how rounds, and it is. It's going to be research, and it's going to be cold calling and cold emailing and that sort of thing. So it's going to be sort of boring, but I will tell you that the rewards of this are going to become lucrative. So your base pay is $45K, but your OTE is about $60K. But you won't see that because you won't be there long enough.
Right.
And the goal is to find somebody who really wants to have a career in sales but doesn't want to sell Tupperware or used cars. You know?
Absolutely. Okay, well, good deal. Let's see here. So 45K, 60 OTE, unlimited, uncapped commission, right?
That's when you become the business development representative.
Got ya.
But the incentivization, you can pretty much expect that you're going to hit 60. And actually, the VP of Sales has hired 2 people for the business development rep roles, and these are people he's worked with at other organizations that did the same thing.
Mm-hmm.
And I believe these people have hit 6 figures.
Oh, that's awesome.
He can be. And also, everybody's going to be trained together. Everybody's going to be learning together, and it's just like you will be set up with success from day one.
I love that. One thing I definitely love is that you guys are all about career growth. I mean, the fact that you already said, hey, when you get here, we don't expect you to be in this position forever. We have a plan for you to move up in the ranks. And so I think that's really important, and that's definitely a plus. And also, I don't mind...
This lesson here is not like, okay, well, after your 1-year performance evaluation, no. This is, we really are doing this at an expeditious way because we believe that people will rise to the occasion and they're going to shine, and we don't want them stuck there, and say, oh, well, you have to stay there for a year. No.
Absolutely, man. It's like give people something a goal to work towards, So yeah, I definitely like that. And I don't even mind that the work is kind of monotonous. I think there's opportunity to really just excel at your job. When you're doing the same thing every day, all day, you have no choice but to improve. You know what I mean? So I definitely think that's a plus as well. So definitely not a negative to me.
Okay, so Tina, tell me, now that you understand what you'll be doing, what are some of your, experiences, and I don't care if it's on the job or in your personal life, some people sold Girl Scout cookies. I mean, whatever it is, right? What sorts of skills and experiences do you have that you feel will help us to be successful in executing in this role?
Oh, absolutely. Well, professionally, I spent over 10 years of my life working in customer service roles, sales support, even had some leadership opportunity. And what that allowed me to do is I spent a lot of time front-facing with customers as well as being on the phone with customers. I love talking to customers. And then one of the last industries I was in was the construction industry. And the customers were the most amazing, the most easy to talk to, personable type of customers you could talk to. I talked to everybody from the one-man band he's the only sole owner, to people that have like hundreds of people working under them. And the personalities across the board were always the same. So when I think about nonprofit and I think about the personality types that you probably be talking to, I think it'd probably be the same, where everybody's really just nice and easy to talk to because they're coming from a giving heart. And anytime I've spoken to people that have a giving heart, they're always the nicest people to talk to, So that's a little bit about that. And then in my personal life too, me and my husband run a small construction company. So I've done some project management on that, and so that's allowed me to really hone in on my time management skills and my people management skills and just everything. Just being able to kind of just being a good manager of your time also helps me, which is really important in a role like that. You have to be extremely organized because you're dealing with a lot of contacts, and you don't have, you only got so many hours in a day to achieve your goal there. So definitely that has helped me a lot. And I'm not afraid of the phones. I've worked in places where the phone rings off the hook from the time you get there to the time you go home. And the biggest difference I tell people between making an outbound call and receiving an inbound call is when I receive an inbound call, there's no preparation. I don't know who's going to be on the other side of that phone. I don't know what they're going to want. I just got to get in there. At least with outbounds, you have some type of preparation. You know what I mean? So you can kind of prepare yourself. So I think that's really just made me able to just take on any kind of role. I love talking to people. I love helping people find solutions. And I'm not afraid to talk to them. So I think those things have really just made me a good fit for this type of role.
Okay, so Tina, I'm not going to have you wait till this weekend. I want to go ahead and schedule like the video interview with you.
Okay.
So, when tomorrow would work for you?
Afternoons typically work pretty good. What do you have on your schedule for afternoons?
That's what I'm looking at now. Tomorrow's Thursday, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay. How early can you do?
You want to do 2 o'clock?
No, unfortunately, I got to be in a different interview at 2 o'clock, but can we do slightly before that, or?
Yeah.
Before?
Yeah, slightly before. What do you need, 30-minute window, or?
I need 45 minutes with you.
Okay, well, 1 o'clock?
In the screening, so yeah, if we could do 1 to 1:45 would be great. So let me go ahead and schedule this.
Okay.
Actually, tomorrow's Thursday, isn't it? You know what? Here's the thing.
You got a tight schedule?
I want to poise you to be able to have an opportunity, if we can move forward. You know, I would like to see if we can't expedite this. So is there any way we could do this? Hold on, why is this a Zoom huddle for senior age? Okay, now I've got to be in that. That's it. Wow. Okay, I hate to ask, but
Yeah.
Is it possible at all to do this like at 10 o'clock?
10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. Yeah, we can do 10 o'clock.
Okay, I'm so sorry, but I just want to make sure that I am slotting you in where you have the best chance.
Thank you.
Let me do 10 o'clock. Okay, so 10. Video interview. Okay, so video interview. I'm sorry, I'm doing this with my thumbs because I'm talking to you, but and I really hate that my Google phone will never let me just save my causes one word. They want to split it every time.
I know. He's like, stop thinking for me.
Yeah. Okay, so we decided at 10 o'clock, right?
Yeah, 10 o'clock's fine.
10 o'clock, 1:45. There we go. And I'm going to put you in here, so it's I am Tina Hampton at Gmail, right?
Yep, that's it. You got it.
At gmail.com. Okay, here we go. I want to just make sure it's spelled correctly. Okay, Tina, I really look forward to talking with you tomorrow. So, and then if you can just sort of save your early afternoon, just save that, okay?
Okay, we'll do. I'll do it.
Okay, Tina. Well, I really look forward to meeting you online tomorrow.
Fantastic. Me too. I appreciate it.
I need to make sure that, yes, all you have to do is click on the little blue thing that says join with Google Meet.
Okay, I'll do it. Awesome. See you then.
Okay, thanks so much.
Okay, thank you.
Bye now.
Bye. All right, y'all. So that was the phone screen I had with her. She was really nice. Actually, all the tech recruiters I've talked to have been really nice. So that always helps when they're really easy to talk to, and you can tell they have like really personable personalities. So tell me what you thought about that phone screen down below. One of the things that kind of stuck out to me, if you were listening earlier in the conversation, she said that it was going to take until the weekend before I heard next steps from our phone screen. But when I went down the about me, I was kind of giving it what I like to call, I was giving my elevator pitch to her. You notice after I finished my elevator pitch, she was like, I'm not going to make you wait. I'm going to go ahead and put you on a 45-minute call tomorrow. So that was a good sign. That let me know that my elevator pitch worked, right? So when you get things like that happen to you on a call, that's a good sign, because typically they'll try to make you wait. Like if they're not really feeling you like that, they'll make you wait. But if they like what they're hearing, they'll go ahead and schedule you for the second and the third interview or whatever they got to do. You won't have to wait. So let me know what you guys think about that. I hope it was very insightful for you guys, and I just like to really pump out content that is helpful. So that's all I got for now. I just wanted to share that little phone screen with you. And also, if you're wondering what happened with the 45-minute window interview that we had set for the next day, another job that I had applied for actually offered me a full-time sales development representative role, and I received my offer letter after her and I got off the phone. So what I did was I sent her a courtesy message the very next day before our 10 a.m. meeting, letting her know that I did accept another offer. And she was extremely nice about it. She congratulated me and everything. So I did not attend the 45-minute Zoom interview because I had accepted an offer from a company that I had interviewed with previously. So that's how that played out. But once again, really nice lady. We are still connected on LinkedIn today. And so that's how that ended. So that's all I got for now. Tech Job Tina signing out. Peace.